Hey, boys and girls. So today is going to be Self-Reflection Friday. So on days like Fridays, boys and girls, your writing assignments will actually be something that you will be thinking about and you will be creating. So I just wanted to come on and show you, boys and girls, what I mean by that. So if you look, you will see your Google Doc says Self-Reflection 1. And you're going to be thinking about things about your own life for this week. I just put a little inspirational quote, boys and girls, from Vince Lombardi. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up. So I thought that was very inspirational, and each week I will put a new one for you, boys and girls. Please make sure you write your name and today's date and think about your week, and then please answer in a complete sentence. I noticed some of you were answering in a complete sentence, and some of you boys and girls were just answering the questions. Please make sure you write it in a complete and full sentence. So here's the first question is, what was a challenge about this week? Explain how it was a challenge. So something maybe in school, was it maybe with the Google Doc this Monday, boys and girls? It was a little bit tricky. Was it maybe trying to get onto a Zoom meeting? Was it something maybe you didn't understand? And just be honest, if you did not understand it, that's not a problem. That's for me to know, boys and girls, and to make sure that I do my job on my end. So make sure you try to explain, how is it challenging? Did you not understand something? Was it because of technical difficulties? Be specific. And then here, the next part is, what was the best part about your week? Explain what made it the best part. It can be anything. It could be something that maybe you did with your family. It could be just spending time with certain people in your house. It could be something that you did in school or on the computer. Explain what was the best part about your whole week this week. And then the third question I have for you, there's only 3 questions this week, is what is something you learned this week? It could be something with Miss Laspiza, a reading teacher, or one of the special teachers. Be specific. So I noticed that last week I asked you the same question, share something you learned this week with Miss Laspiza, and a lot of you said, this week I learned diphthong O-I, O-Y. I want you to specifically tell me, like, for example, if you say, this week I learned phonics rule OU, OW, tell me what the rule is. Or if you're telling me something you did in writing, be specific on what did you do in writing. Did you write something about your mom? Did you write something about your dad? If you did math, tell me specifically something that you learned, a topic that you learned, something that you learned. It could be in reading, it could be anything, as long as something for this week. Okay, boys and girls, so every Friday or towards the end of the week, whether it's a Friday or Thursday, depending on the week here, boys and girls, you will be getting for writing a self-reflection sheet. And I want you to just think about your week, think about what was good, what was not good, and what you want to do for next week. Until then, I hope everyone has a great weekend, boys and girls. I miss you all. Bye.